You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this type of currency that is not backed by a commodity such as gold or silver? Okay, so that's what it means. That's what this type of currency or money is. It's a government issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity. It's just like the Italian car company. Fiat money, inconvertible paper money. Fiat, not fiat, I've heard fiat, no. Fiat money. And now you know. For more currency names, stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.